Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why or struggled to find the right word mid-sentence? If you're over 60, you might think it's just part of getting older. But here's the truth. Memory problems and mental fog aren't always caused by aging. In fact, they're often linked to simple daily habits that quietly damage your brain without you even realizing it. In this video, you'll learn the 3 habits that quietly harm your brain health, and more importantly, the 3 powerful ones that help you stay sharp, focused, and mentally active, no matter your age. Whether you want to improve your memory, prevent cognitive decline, or just feel more mentally alert during the day, these are practical, science-backed strategies that can help. So stay with us until the end. We've also got a bonus brain-boosting nutrition tip you won't want to miss. 1. Skipping breakfast. You might think it's harmless to skip breakfast, especially if you're not hungry. But for seniors, it can quietly hurt your brain function. After 8 to 12 hours of overnight fasting, your brain needs fuel to function, specifically glucose, its primary energy source. When you skip breakfast, your blood sugar can drop, leading to fatigue, irritability, and poor focus. Over time, this pattern can impair your brain's ability to regulate mood, concentration, and memory. For those managing diabetes or prediabetes, this is especially risky. Even something simple like a small bowl of oats with nuts or fruit gives your brain the glucose and nutrients it needs to start the day sharp. A protein shake or Greek yogurt works too. Don't skip it. Your brain will thank you. 2. Social isolation. Staying mentally sharp isn't just about crosswords and Sudoku, it's about connection. Social isolation is one of the most under-recognized threats to senior brain health. Studies show that seniors who lack regular interaction face a 50% higher risk of developing dementia. When we talk, listen, laugh, or even argue, our brain lights up. It processes emotion, language, and memory all at once. But when seniors spend long hours alone, these brain regions are underused, which leads to cognitive decline over time. Make it a point to talk with someone every day. Even a phone call or a short chat with a neighbor helps. Consider community groups, walking clubs, or volunteering to maintain connection. Your brain is social by design. Don't let it atrophy in isolation. 3. Poor sleep habits. Sleep is when the brain goes into housekeeping mode. It clears out toxins, repairs damage, and files away memories. If your sleep is broken or too short, your brain can't complete those tasks. One of the biggest risks is the buildup of beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Seniors who regularly sleep fewer than 6 hours a night are significantly more likely to show signs of memory loss, confusion, and slower thinking. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. That means a consistent bedtime, a dark, cool room, and limited screen time before bed. If sleep is an ongoing issue, talk to your doctor. It's more than just a comfort issue. It's a critical part of brain health. 3 habits that keep your brain sharp after 60. 1. Brain active morning routine. How you start your day shapes how your brain performs. One of the best habits to adopt is a brain-stimulating morning routine. Instead of passive TV or endless scrolling, give your mind a warm-up. Try 10 minutes of a crossword puzzle, brain training app, or reading an article about something new. Even journaling a few thoughts helps activate memory and reasoning. Learning something unfamiliar, even a fact or two, encourages neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to form new connections. This is what keeps your memory and focus strong. Over time, this habit builds mental resilience. It helps reduce the risk of cognitive decline and improves mood, especially if it becomes a predictable part of your morning. The best part? It doesn't take more than 15 minutes. And paired with a healthy breakfast, it gives your brain a perfect start. Second, consistent light exercise. You might not think of movement as mental stimulation, but the science is clear. Physical activity is one of the most powerful brain boosters. Walking, stretching, tai chi, or light yoga all increase blood flow to the brain. This delivers oxygen and nutrients that support memory, decision making, and even emotional regulation. Exercise also stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and communication. BDNF levels tend to decline with age, which is why seniors often experience slower recall or confusion. But regular physical activity keeps your BDNF levels healthier, and that means a sharper mind. Aim for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day of light to moderate activity. That's enough to trigger these cognitive benefits. If walking is hard, try chair exercises or pool therapy. Any movement is better than none, and the brain responds quickly to the increase in circulation. Third, daily social touchpoint. Just as isolation damages the brain, social interaction protects it. That's why one of the most important habits for seniors is scheduling a daily social moment, a conversation, not just passive contact. This could be as simple as a phone call with family, a brief chat with a neighbor, or joining an online class or support group. These interactions keep your brain engaged in language, memory, and emotional expression. They also reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that contributes to mental fatigue and anxiety. Socializing doesn't have to be overwhelming. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day of intentional connection can strengthen the neural networks involved in communication and empathy. And for seniors struggling with loneliness, these habits often improve sleep and reduce depression, both of which are key for mental clarity. So reach out, set a daily reminder to connect with someone, even if it's virtual. Your brain and your mood will be stronger for it. If you want to support your brain health through food, here's a simple yet powerful combo: walnuts plus blueberries plus Greek yogurt. Why this trio? Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help improve memory and protect the brain from age-related decline. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which have been shown in multiple studies to delay brain aging and improve communication between brain cells. And Greek yogurt. It delivers protein, calcium, and probiotics that support gut health. Important because the gut and brain are closely linked through the gut-brain axis. When combined, this snack becomes a powerhouse. It boosts energy, enhances focus, and reduces inflammation. Enjoy it as a mid-morning or afternoon snack, or even as breakfast with a sprinkle of chia seeds. You don't need supplements when nature provides such potent nutrients in real food. Add this combo to your routine, and you're feeding your brain exactly what it needs to stay sharp, alert, and energized. Getting older doesn't mean giving up mental sharpness. The truth is, your brain is like a muscle. It needs the right habits, challenges, and fuel to stay strong. If you found this video helpful, tap like and share it with someone you care about. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Creative Health Path. We've got more science-backed, senior-friendly tips coming every week.